Let's turn attention to Bauchi State. 5 persons have been killed and 3 others seriously injured following a windstorm at the venue of the joint Northeast Trade Fair. Commissioner for Commerce and Industries, Mahmud Babamaji, who confirmed the incident, explained that although the trade fair closed days ago, some persons who were still at the venue sought refuge in the pavilion when the windstorm struck, leading to its collapse on the victims.
This incident happened around 8 o'clock in the night yesterday, and it was due to a very heavy downpour, a very strong windstorm that occurred yesterday. And the government is not happy with what had happened. So this has happened, and it has affected some other parts of the metropolis. Yes, certainly the trade fair has closed about a week or so now. And people are still, doing some little businesses there. So it's not those that participated in the trade fair that actually got hooked by this third tragedy. Some of them were severely injured, but they were taken to the hospital for immediate, medical attention.
Still in Bauchi State, Commissioner for